The Smart Networking API, or SNAPI, allows original equipment manufacturers and value-added resellers to control and manage RazorLink within their system. For example, a drone manufacturer is looking to improve connectivity on their product so they can send reliable video feeds and control the drone from remote locations. In order to achieve this, RazorLink is deployed alongside their software. The REST-style Smart Networking API can then issue commands to select which networks to bond, request network statistics, configure modems, prioritize traffic, manage quality of service, set bitrate caps, and much more. This means the drone manufacturer can control communications and present statistics as part of their own application, delivering advanced next-generation networking features in a custom user interface. To become familiar with the Smart Networking API, you can use the SNAPI Explorer, a tool which assists with development and verification. The SNAPI Explorer runs on a web browser and presents an interactive session with RazorLink. You can select which feature you want to control, and the SNAPI Explorer will provide a list of possible actions. Choose an action and enter the relevant information into the text boxes. The SNAPI Explorer will then generate the HTTP construct and you can issue the command. Every command issued from the SNAPI Explorer can then be issued from within your own application. You can even connect the SNAPI Explorer to RazorLink at the same time as your application in order to check your code is working correctly. The RazorLink Smart Networking API and SNAPI Explorer allow you to achieve vastly superior connectivity with your product or service, readily integrating sophisticated networking features such as bonding, acceleration, resilience, prioritization, and encryption, as well as advanced features like multicast and bearer group utilization. To find out more about how you can incorporate RazorLink into your product or service, visit livewire.co.uk.